guys, it's me again. That's me and my mom. We went to Hiccups Churroholic and we had a wonderful time. Here is the menu. So hey guys, this is my bill. Oreo churro. This is my Oreo churro, amazing, and we got stuff to go. And this is the Oreo, the ice cream, and my lychee berry drink. Amazing. Spicy orange chicken. Back to the ice cream, very creamy and nice. And my mom garlic noodles with shaken beef. Hey guys, it is me again, and I am trying my hiccups and churroholic, but this is it. I got the spicy orange chicken with white rice. It's not overly spicy, and it's flavorful. I would definitely go back again. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. You ever ate something that had a part in your mouth? Mm-hmm. Yeah. A good food coma in my mouth. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, bye y'all.